Hello and welcome to Cotswold Websites. Let's have a look at website maintenance and why it is so important to do it on a regular basis and to get it right. Get it wrong and your business will suffer. Firstly, your corporate image or brand depends upon your website performing properly. If information is out of date or simply wrong, you will end up losing both reputation and business. If your hyperlinks do not work, you'll miss out on customers being able to contact you, or they will not be able to buy your products. Therefore, checking on these on a regular basis should be a standard task. Secondly, security. All websites are open to attack from hackers and other malicious internet users. Attacks may come in all guises. Keeping your website's core software, as well as any themes and plugins, fully patched is of vital importance to keep your website as well protected as possible. But how do you go about this? What happens if an update causes your website to crash? How do you deal with this scenario? Well, taking backups is of course something which should be done as standard before any work is done on your website. If you are competent with keeping your website updated, it is easy enough to do yourself. However, why not let Cotswold Websites handle this for you? It only takes one thing to go wrong to cause an even bigger problem. Thirdly, continuity. Are you sure that your contact forms and call to action buttons are working as expected? If any of them lead to off-site destinations, you are vulnerable to third-party changes. Regular checks on these forms and buttons should be made, or you could find that your customers are not able to contact you or are unable to enter your sales funnel. Fourthly, payments. Similarly, you should make sure that your shopping cart and checkout processes are working correctly. If one of these steps fails, you could be losing out on important business and income. The simplest method to check this is to purchase one of your own products through your own online shop. This will show you the exact route your clients will be going through and will thus enable you to spot any problems if they exist. Finally, content. Your website will be partially ranked upon how up-to-date its content is. If no new content is added, you will almost certainly see your website slipping down the Google rankings. Adding in new pages or posts or videos will help you keep current and therefore hold on to your top search rankings. Website maintenance is not rocket science, but it can be time-consuming and boring. Never mind expensive to rectify if it goes wrong. If website maintenance is not for you, then why not ask Cotswold Websites how we can support you? You can rest easy in the knowledge that we can provide you with different levels of support dependent upon your needs. Visit us today at www.cotswoldwebsites.co.uk for more information.